This is Beatrix Futák-Campbell.
And this is Vineet Thakur.
And both of us are the program chairs for this year's Pan-European Conference, which, as you know, is the annual conference of the European International Studies Association. For another year, unfortunately, we've been forced to move our conference online. Now, this is obviously not a happy situation for any of us. We understand how all of us are raring to meet and greet each other in physical conference venues, assemble in the coffee corners, and go out for those long-promised dinners. COVID unfortunately means that won't be possible this year.
However, while our venue might have moved online, we're doing everything possible to organize a great Pan-European conference. The conference will take place between the 13th and 17th of September. Our abstract submission has already been open and will remain open until the 29th of March. So please submit your abstracts. And we hope that you will continue to support the conference, and we'll see each other again soon in late summer. Thank you.